Sometimes headlights and tailpipes got to improvise, and today the Batmobile was supposed to be here, but it's not here. So, if Batman, and it were 2019, were to drive a car, he'd be driving a Model X. This is Josh at the Car Show on Eastern. Thanks for tuning in. Good morning. Rum. There's power. There's horsepower down here. Well, maybe not underneath this hood. There's a lot of horsepower, but there's no sounds. Celebrity cars every Saturday morning, 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. You've got headlights and tailpipe stories coming right at you right here on Eastern. Rum.